Hey guys, it's Noah, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new AirPod 3rd generation headphones. And the reason why I say brand new is because Apple hasn't released any regular AirPods since 2021, which was the AirPods 3s. And the reason, and I do know that Apple did come out with AirPod Pro 2nd gen, but they're not really technically the OG AirPods. I mean, they're just a Pro version of the regular ones, and the AirPod Maxes, they are just over-ear AirPods. So, and they look completely, and they are very much different from the AirPods Pro. So that's why I still say that the AirPod 3s are still new, if that makes sense. Without further ado, let's get into all the tech specs and everything like that, because I think everyone does need a refresh about what do these AirPods actually do. So starting off, the AirPod 3rd generation headphones, I'm going to call them AirPod 3s for the sake of it. The AirPod 3s have dual beam forcing microphones, as well as skin detect, force sensing, and what makes the AirPod 3s is the H1 headphone chip. Let's move on to the stem controls. Press once to play, pause, or answer a call. Press twice to skip forward. Press 3 times to skip back. Press and hold for say, hey, to do things like play a song, make a call, or get directions. The AirPod 3s are also water and sweat resistant, which is an awesome feature because if you are, like, for example, running in the rain, doing a workout outside, or even just going for a walk in the wintertime and it's snowing, at least you'll know that your AirPods won't get damaged and ruined. The AirPods that I bought the ones with the MagSafe charging case, which works well with the MagSafe charging, QI certified chargers, and the lightning connector. If you just buy the one that is for the lightning connector AirPod case, those won't work for wireless charging. Let's move on to the batteries. Up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 5 hours with spatial audio enabled, up to 4 hours of talk time with a single charge, and battery with the MagSafe charging case, up to 30 hours of listening time, up to 20 hours of talk time, and 5 minutes in the case provides 1 hour of listening time or around 1 hour of talk time. That is pretty cool and pretty insane. So let's compare the AirPod 2s and the AirPod 3s. AirPod 2s do not have spatial audio with head tracking, and it does not have sweat and water resistant. You are gaining an hour of listening time on one charge on the 3s, and you are gaining up to a full day plus of listening with the charging case. The only two differences between the AirPod Pro's 1st generation and the AirPod 3s is the transparency mode and noise canceling, as well as the headphone grip. So basically, for an extra $100, I really don't think it's worth it. The price, not including taxes, is $239.99 Canadian. Now let's get into the unboxing. Starting off, we are going with the AirPods 3rd generation case. I did buy a case for the case, if that makes sense. Anyways, I don't know. I understand, you guys. I am 2 years late to this party. I didn't mean to be this late.
Satisfying. Okay. Struggling to open this box. If only Apple made it easy to open these things. Okay, there. Fold out and fold in.
Drop it. Okay. Love the gray. Okay, so here's the case. This is from In Case. You can buy these on the Apple website. So this is what it looks like. Is it upside down? No? Okay. Arrow, arrow, arrow. Like that. And this is the case. Very much like my other one, like the AirPod 2 cases, but instead of it being like this, it's kind of like this, so it's different, but I really love these cases. Honestly, I did learn my lesson with the Amazon AirPod cases. I have probably went through at least 3 of them to realize that, you know what, it's probably just better to spend the extra money on the Apple store because these cases are gonna last you. Okay, so that's unboxed.
Let's get all this out of the way. I'm just tossing everything on the floor. Okay.
Now it's time to unbox the AirPods. Okay, really, really excited. Here. I do have a knife. Okay, if you guys are like the OGs, you guys understand that I always had to use scissors. If you guys were here before like the account deletions and stuff, Like, you guys know that I always had problems with the scissors. And I still apparently can't even, oh, still can't open this box properly. They're here, you guys. They are here. Oh my god. So Apple nicely just packed them in the box like this. You know, love them for that. So we're just gonna break it open. Oh, it opens like a nice little package. Let me step out. See, it opened like something like this. Like, here's your
package. Welcome me with open arms. Okay, so we gotta cut this side. Or just peel it. We're just gonna peel
it. Smells like cardboard. For now. Okay, so these are the new AirPod 3s. Like, this is AirPod 3s, you guys. Like, okay. We're just gonna peel back the slip. Like so.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. If I can even, like, get this to open. Oh, there's another
side. Okay, there. Now we can get it to open. I'm so excited. Oh. So we are welcomed with the Apple California. I don't even want to look at that yet. Okay, anyway, so
you're welcomed. In here we have the AirPods manual and all of these things. I'm sure you get also like 3 months or something of Apple Music for free. So I think with that, I don't think there's a code or anything, but I'm pretty sure it just like automatically gives you that with the AirPods.
So that was in there. Oh my gosh. Time for the AirPods, you guys. Look, okay, I want to say something. I did get these custom made. And you can get these engraved on the Apple website, apple.ca, or on the Apple Store app. However, if you do use the app, you can use your memojis that you have created, or if you haven't already, go create them. But I use monkeys as the emojis because they didn't have horoscopes, and I'm a Scorpio, so I would have put that instead. But I did use the monkeys because I am born in the year of the monkey in the Chinese calendar, so that's why I used it. Oh, so satisfying. Okay. Oh, how do I even, like... Okay, just pull it. Okay. Apple has fixed the creaking. Now, the reason why I moved this side to side is because the AirPod 2s and the AirPod 1 cases, every time this lid would actually creak. And there was a whole Apple community's page about people saying like, oh my gosh, the AirPod 1 and 2 lids are like always creaking if you move it side to side. I don't hear anything. They have definitely fixed the back. It was definitely a back issue of this. So yeah, this is what they look like. I hope if I open them, nothing will happen to the video. But I really love the, how it says like Noah. Like, I love this. This is really cute. Okay, so we're gonna open them so you guys can see. Oh my god. These things are tiny. Like, I don't even, these things are tiny. Can they even fit? Let's do an ear fit. Oh my god, they fit perfectly. I thought I was gonna have a problem. Oh, they fit perfect. Okay, you guys, let me... Oh, they don't even want to go back in. Okay, they go like that. Let me go and do all this, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I am back from just doing that sound test, and oh my god, the spatial audio, it sounds like you are in some sort of different world. It's absolutely insane. The only thing that I have to really get down is the stem controls. I still don't know, like, I'm pressing them and I'm like, why is this only playing and pausing? So, you know, I have to figure them out. That's definitely the learning curve, but I suggest that everyone who hasn't got AirPod 3s, go and buy them. They sound so good. They sound I've never, like, my AirPod 2s definitely never sounded this good before. So I suggest you all run to your nearest Apple store or on the Apple Store app. Go and do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you guys like and subscribe, as well as hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time I post a brand new video. Also, please make sure that you are following all of my socials. My socials are linked in the Linktree link, which is linked in the description down below. Continue to spread positivity, and I will see you all in the next one.